Oh. It's an official catch, then. Official catch.
Yeah.
Look at you, dude. Hey, my son-in-law's got to see that. That's incredible, man. We were out there. I'm not going to say it, but we were out there trying for that, and there you get one.
Yeah.
I told him to go stand in the water. Nice job, kid.
Awesome, buddy.
Nice job, kid.